Are you struggling to create a professional corporate office workspace that truly reflects your company's success and values? Many companies settle for generic, uninspiring office spaces that fail to motivate employees or impress clients. The result? Decreased productivity, poor employee morale, and missed opportunities to make powerful first impressions with potential customers and partners. Our corporate office interior design services transform ordinary workspaces into extraordinary environments that drive business success. We specialize in creating custom office designs that boost employee productivity, enhance your brand image, and optimize your space for maximum functionality. Our expert designers work closely with you to understand your company culture, workflow needs, and aesthetic preferences, ensuring your new workspace perfectly aligns with your business objectives. We manage the entire process from initial concept to final installation, minimizing disruption to your daily operations while delivering exceptional results that exceed your expectations. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how a professionally designed office can elevate your business to new heights. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.